Hello, in this video I will show you how to configure a Modbus master in Straton. First I create a new project. I call it my master. Then I click on next, again on next, and I select a Modbus master configuration and I click on finish. Now I open the Fieldbus configuration. I already have the Modbus master configuration that has been added. I insert a master port by clicking on the second icon on the list. I can choose between Modbus on Ethernet or serial Modbus RTU. In our example, we will use the Modbus on Ethernet. I configure the address of my slave. In my case, I already have a slave running, so I enter its address, its port, and the protocol. I will take the TCP protocol, then click on OK. Now I can add a Modbus master request. By clicking on the next icon, I enter a description, my disk. I select the Modbus request. Let's take the number 2 read input bits. I can also define the base address, the number of items. In our case, we will take 4 items. I can also choose the activation mode, either periodic, on-call or unchanged. I can set the timeout and the number of trials. And I can also declare my variables so that Straton automatically declares them. So I will declare them and call them my var underscore number. Then I click on OK, and I see here that I have my 4 variables, and they are also declared here in the variable editor. If I want to make a modification in the configuration, I can click on every level of the configuration, and then I have the corresponding properties on the right side here, and I can change any property I want. For example, if I want to change the activation mode, I can double click here and select another one. I can also add some status variable. I click on add a variable. When I'm here on the last level of the tree, add a variable, and here I select status control, and I have a list of all the status variables available. Let's take an error report, call it error report, then click on OK. And I have to declare it. It's a double integer. Click on yes. Now I have my Modbus master configuration complete. I have to build my project and connect to my runtime. I connect to the runtime. I see that my application is running and that my first variable is blinking because it is received from the slave, where the application uses a blink block with the corresponding variable as the output. I also see here that my error report variable is 0, meaning that there is no error. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and thank you for watching.